Yeah, because a lot of times people might be thinking like, damn, a whole year before I get a deal?
Yes.
I need $2,000 tomorrow. I needed $2,000 yesterday. So a lot of people may feel like that. And even though you feel like that, add this to your thoughts, if you don't mind. Some of you been probably thinking about doing real estate longer than 2 years, longer than a year. It's a year already passed us by. It was just 6 months ago. 6 months ago. Is the money doesn't come any faster the longer you wait to learn. The longer you wait to learn is as long as it takes. It keeps running away from you. It's another year gone. It's another year gone. So what we've just discovered this, doing this, is that the faster you start learning, next thing you know, you're looking in your rearview mirror and it's like, oh, it was a year ago. Oh, it was 2 years ago. Oh, and now, like what Taj is saying, 2 years, I got 4 deals, right? So it sounds crazy today, but a lot of people, if you change how you look at it and how you think about it, a lot of you that are probably on this line been probably thinking about doing real estate for the past 2 years and still haven't done a deal yet. 2 years passed you by. You understand? So this young man, he's been, for the past 2 years, he's been learning. And now for the past 2 years, he has 4 deals under his belt.